Bonjour tout le monde. Are you struggling with why and on in French? You are not alone. Today, we are going to clear up the mystery. These two little pronouns can make a big difference in your fluency. And once you get them, you will sound so much more natural in French. Grab your book and let's dive in. How to use why in French? Alright, let's start with why. It is pronounced like the English letter E, just E. What does E replace? Y replaces a place or a thing, introducing by a, to, at, in. Think of it like saying there is or to it. Example, tu vas à Paris? Oui, j'y vais. Yes, I'm going there. Tu penses à ton avenir? Oui, j'y pense. Yes, I'm thinking about it. Notice how the Y avoid repeating à Paris or à ton avenir. Y replace a plus a thing, a plus a place. Chez, dans, sur, en plus a place. But never use Y for people. Only think of places. Word order tip. Y go before the verb. J'y vais. In negative form, je n'y vais pas. What to sound fancy, use it with the passé composé. Tu es allé à la plage? Oui, j'y suis allé. Great. Take a big deep breath. You are doing fab. How to use en in French? Let's talk about en, another tiny but little powerful pronouns. What does en replace? En replaces de plus noun or quantity or even numbers. Think of it like saying some, any, or of it. Example. Tu veux du pain? Oui, j'en veux. Yes, I want some. Tu parles de ton travail? Oui, j'en parle. Yes, I am talking about it. Tu as 3 enfants? Oui, j'en ai 3. Yes, I have 3 of them. En helps avoid repetition when using de plus noun, quantité. Beaucoup de, un peu de, trop de, number. Just like why, it goes before the verb. J'en veux. Je n'en veux pas. Let's talk about the past tense now. Tu as acheté du fromage? Oui, j'en ai acheté. Even if you don't say the amount loud, you still use en. Et voilà. You've been mastering the basic of why and en in French. Let's recap quickly. Why replace a plus place or a thing. There, to it. En replace de plus thing, quantity, number. Some of it, of them. Want to keep practicing? Drop sentences in the comments using why or en, and I will correct and cheer you on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss most bite-sized lessons from French Lesson Australia. Merci beaucoup et à très bientôt les amis. Keep learning, you are amazing.